Hi everyone, Spencer here from Spencer's Collectibles. Welcome to my channel where I like to show you guys some of my collectibles, mostly Pokemon toys, and also open up some Pokemon cards. Today I felt like it's already been over a week since I've opened any packs for you guys to check out, and also I got some mail in. Sorry about how it looks, but I sprayed it with some disinfectant. And yeah, it looks like that. I think I ordered a couple cards from someone online. Sweet. Mewtwo GX. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, they didn't tape it shut. How weird. Okay. Mewtwo GX, Moltres Zapdos, Articuno GX, Raichu Charizard, Mewtwo Trainer. Oh wow, the Hiker Trainer. I didn't even know I ordered all these. That's cool. These will most likely go into my next PSA submissions. Alright. Okay. Okay, let's get into these packs. Here's some sleeves for any of the shiny cards, any of the rare or holo cards we get. Alright, first pack. And here is the code card. Let's see. Also have another extra one for you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Fire Energy, Farfetch'd, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Chansey, Coughing, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, and the reverse holo is Lapras. Blaine's Last Stand. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve up all the holos. Yeah, so I'm still gonna be helping my buddy try to complete a full master set of the Shiny Vault. And probably the basic set too of Hidden Fates. Okay. And code card right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Psychic Energy, Scyther, Jinx, Graveler, Clefairy, Coughing, Voltorb, Cubone, Geodude, and reverse holo Jigglypuff. Not bad, a holo rare Jesse and James. Let's sleeve these up. Okay, here's another extra code card I had. Okay, next pack. Okay, alright, next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Water Energy. Jinx, Magmar, Brock's Grit, Geodude, Eevee, Clefairy, Caterpie, Ekans, and reverse holo Misty's Determination, and our rares Jolteon. Okay, all right, next pack. Oops. Okay, there's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Metal Energy, Graveler, Giovanni's Exile, Brock's Grit, Clefairy, Eevee, Ekans, Paris, Caterpie, nice baby shiny Shuppet, and the rare is Butterfree. Okay, let's leave that. Nice. I guess that's the first big hit. And let's go next pack. Next code card, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Sabrina's Suggestion, Metapod, Coughing, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Reverse Hollow Eevee, and our rare is another Jesse and James. Okay. Alright, here's another extra code card. I have a couple extra that I'll show you guys, or give to you guys actually. Okay. So has anybody redeemed any of the codes that I've shown in the last couple videos? Have you guys gotten any good pulls yet? Let me know in the bottom in the comment section. Here's the next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Jinx, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Voltorb, Geodude, Pikachu, Clefairy, Cubone, Reverse Hollow Ekans, and a Vaporeon Rare Hollow right there. Okay. Alright, probably in the next video I'll update you guys on how much of the master set I've completed so far. Okay, next pack. Alright. And there's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Jinx, Magmar, Farfetch'd, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Pikachu, Magikarp, Coughing, nice shiny Ralts, and our rare Brock's Training, a hollow rare. Okay. Not that many good hits today. Only 2 baby shinies is what these are called. These aren't the full art ones. Okay, next. Oh, I guess this is the last pack for today. Okay, and there's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Jinx, Misty's Determination, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Psyduck, Charmander, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy, and Reverse Hollow Bill's Analysis. And our rare is Golem. Well, I guess that's it for today. I actually here's a couple more code cards for you guys. These are from Cosmic Eclipse. It was the last Sun and Moon set that came out before they switched over to the new set, Sword and Shield. Alright, if you guys like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys got anything good with any of the code cards. And yeah, here are today's 2 pulls from 8 packs. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.